With the launch of the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro, Google advertised a new feature called Circle to Search. And after all these months, the company has finally rolled out this feature to select devices. Sadly, they seem to be restricting this feature to a select number of smartphones, but this launch is only a small tweak to something that we've had on Android for many years now. So today, I want to show you how to emulate the Circle to Search feature on all Android devices, as you will get virtually identical results to what Google is advertising right now. To begin, you either need to install the Google Photos application or the Google Lens app. I'll be sure to include links to both of these in the video description below, but they should be easily found in the Google Play Store and can be installed for free. Then, when you find something that you want to perform a visual search on, you will want to capture a screenshot of that image. So I'm going to be taking a screenshot of the marketing material that Google used in their launch post to show you how this works. If you're using the Google Photos app, you can just open it up, find the screenshot that you took, and then at the bottom here, we're going to tap on Lens. Now, alternatively, if you are using the Google Lens application, again, you're going to want to open it up, find the screenshot that you took, and then you can begin performing that visual search. If you have the Google Lens app, as soon as you capture that screenshot, you can share it directly from that pop-up. And when you share it, if you share it with Google Lens, it will automatically open up the app for you and begin performing that visual search. Now, instead of performing the circle to search gesture to select the item that you're interested in, we're actually just going to adjust the four corners of this viewfinder here. So in that launch post of the circle to search feature, Google did a search for these specific glasses. And you can see we can do exactly that. We can find the product in the picture and find where we can purchase that. Now, they also, in that marketing video, they did a search for this purse as well. And similarly to the circle to search feature, we just need to highlight that with this viewfinder and then let Google perform that visual search for us. So even if you don't have the Pixel 8 Pro or a phone in the Samsung Galaxy S24 series, we can perform a visual search with either the Google Photos app or the Google Lens application. And again, both of these can be downloaded directly from the Google Play Store. I do suspect that Google will eventually roll out this new circle to search gesture to a lot more Android devices before the end of the year. These cloud-based features tend to be exclusive for only a limited amount of time. And since Google is a search and advertising company at heart, it makes sense that they will want as many people using visual search as possible.